Look what colors we have here. I'll put it in one at a time. Okay, two. Whoa, it quickly made green. It's
Jabee and Jiya, toys and fun. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Jiya, and my brother, Jabee.
Today we're going to play with colors.
We're going to play with colors.
I'm holding orange and green. Now we're going to tell you what colors we have. We got green, red, orange, and this is violet, blue, yellow. Now let's mix them up. Look what colors we have here. We got red, yellow, blue. What color is this, Jiya?
Blue.
What? This one. What is it?
Yellow.
What is this?
Red.
These are primary colors. If you mix two primary colors together, you can make one secondary color. Now let's mix it using our blender. Let's try mixing yellow and red. I'll pour one at a time. It smells yummy, you guys. It
smells good.
It's made out of ice blocks. Oh yeah, that's hard. Now let's spin it. Well, what are we going to make? I'm so excited. What are we? That's what we wait. Dance, yeah, a dance. Oh yeah. Now let's turn it off. Let's pour it in the glass now. Right? Let's try it now. Now what color is it? It's orange. What color is it now, Jiya?
Orange.
It's color orange. Let's rate it with 10 over 10. Nine out of 10. What is it?
Give it 1 with 10.
One out of 10, that means you don't like it.
I like it.
You need to give it a big number if you like it. And when you like it, it's a big number.
Now it's mixed yellow and blue.
I'll put it in one at a time. Okay, two. Whoa, it quickly made green. It's already green. That's very quick. It's just a little bit of green. So let's turn it off. We made green. Now let's pour it in the glass so you can see it clearly. Wait, we need to... Wait. There, that was the lock. And what color is it now, Jiya?
It's green.
That's correct. It's green. Let's taste it. What do you give it?
A 10. A 10 with 100.
Again, I give it 5 out of 10.
That means you don't like it?
It's because I like it so much.
A 100 with 10.
You're just 3 years old. Now let's make some more colors. Now let's mix red and blue. Two again. It made purple so quick again, just like the other two colors. Now let's mix it up. It makes a violet and it looks like I see some red and blue with that we use. Look at that. It's like there's more that's coming out of there. Now we pour it in. Into the bowl. Whoa! Empty. Now let's work. We made color violet. When we put it in, it looks like there was blue and red we used before. Let's taste it. I make it 7 out of 10. Try some.
5 out of 10.
Now we're done with the secondary colors. The secondary colors are green, orange, and violet. green, orange, and violet. Those are the secondary colors. Now I'll show you how to make color pink. That's my sister's favorite color.
I love pink.
But we need a little bit of red and lots of white. Let's mix it together. But this is not ice pop white. This is, you know this? It's a milk. Let's start by, I think it will really go so quick. One at a time. No. Oh, what happened here? It's just like, you need lots of mixing. It's turning pink when I do that. Let's dance. What? We made pink, Jiya's favorite color.
That's my favorite color. Oh, guys, I love pink.
It looks like success. Now let's taste it. It tastes like a red ice pop and some milk. I don't really like this. I give it a 0 out of 10. Now we're going to make light blue color. That's one of my favorite colors. And green is the other favorite color of mine. Blue and green is my favorite color. We need a little bit of blue and plenty of white. But this is still milk. Let's pour it two at a time. Oh, this one looks very cool. Whoa! Again! It looks like, look what happened. It looks like there's snow, mountains, and water all around. Cold water. Now let's blend it together. Oh, there. Yeah, let's dance. Stand up. Sell it. Let's see what we made. Oh, it looks like light blue. Let's pour it in. Okay. This is color light blue. Now let's taste it. It tastes like what the other one tastes like with the other color. It tastes, oh yeah, this blue tastes delicious. So I give it a 5 out of 10. Now let's let Jiya have it. But how much do you give it? How much do you give it?
5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Thanks for playing with me.
Bye! Hope you enjoy our video. If you're new to this channel, please press the red button below us and subscribe. Bye!